Jim, today is Friday, January 10th. Welcome to another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis with Professor Cage. I'm an investing master at the real world, and when it comes to finding the probabilities of the market में क्या हो रहा है, and what is most probable to happen next, I'm one of the best in the world. I bring you the best possible crypto analysis every single day. और हमारी entire job है to look at everything that is happening around the world and look at all the metrics and indicators and on-chain and data and news and trying to figure out what is going to happen next. And so far, बहुत months से it is playing out very accurately and we are making the best possible investing and trading decisions in the market. If today is your first ever crypto analysis watching this, it is highly unlikely कि आपको मेरी किसी भी बात की समझ आएगी because जो भी मैं बात करता हूँ it is in the context of what I teach in my masterclass. So if you look at screen right now, this is my masterclass. जहाँ पे you can see there are a bunch of different channels and there are like this is the daily analysis channel, so I post everything जो मैं यहाँ पे post करता हूँ like this video. उसके अलावा भी I'm giving all the updates and everything. I'm posting all the trades and here you can see not a signal channel. यहाँ पे I share meme coins, altcoins and what is going to happen next. Sorry. Weird. Okay, then market signals. Okay, market के क्या signal है? If you go long, if you go short, if you do what it is required, and we are making amazing decisions through the whole phase of this bull market. यहाँ से 57k से we got long 57k and उसके बाद से we are making absolutely amazing decisions. Throughout this phase, we held the best performing altcoin. We held meme coins, which did multiple X's. यहाँ पे we reduced all the risk, we closed all the leverage positions and conservative में convert कर लिया था. Then यहाँ पे somewhere around here we exited. Then here we entered, here we exited, and you know it has been an amazing journey. So if you are interested, join my masterclass. There are lectures, recorded lectures जो कि आप lectures को पास करके आपको basically सारी understanding develop हो जाएगी कि what is important, what is not, and how to play the market. आपको trading and investing, like you will get to know so many things and every single thing. So if you want to join my masterclass, you can DM me on Instagram. You can see this here. This is my Instagram username. I think I can't make this bigger, but this is my Instagram username here. I'm gonna put it back. You can DM me on Instagram to join my masterclass और मैं वहाँ पे सारे signals provide करता हूँ, every single thing. So without any further wait, let's get straight into the analysis. उससे पहले this is going to be the rough structure of analysis. सबसे पहले I'm gonna give a market overview, then I'm gonna do the market analysis, gonna look at whole bunch of things यहाँ पे मैंने open किए, then alt memes and finally I'm gonna give you an outlook. Okay, what should you do and what should you expect? So anything that I say in these analysis is not a financial advice, and nothing here is a signal. If you need signals, I give them in my Discord community, in my masterclass to my students. By the way, here are a bunch of different chat channels and everything. You can engage with all of the other students and you can ask me questions. I'm there to guide you every step of the way. So anyways, Bitcoin had huge drawdown as हम expect कर रहे थे, and today there is a short squeeze being played out, and interesting enough, Bitcoin did stay within this range. And yesterday I talked about the volume profile, which I drew from somewhere around here. If we look at the volume profile, so you can see basically it closed right at the lower range of the volume profile, which is interesting. So it could very well go to the range high of the volume profile. This is one thing it can do, but we're gonna look at the other information to see कि हमें क्या suggest किया जा रहा है. By the way, this is all like mean reversion market state की like यहाँ पे जैसे कि मैंने बताया था somewhere around here that we are in the mean reversion market state, and in mean reversion में anything can happen. We are not trending anymore like we did here. So yeah, expect any kind of fuckery. I'm I'm not gonna say ke okay, up we go and boom, here we're gonna go. Any there is a lot of uncertainty in the market right now, जिसको हम अभी cover करेंगे. So let's move into a few things. सबसे पहले I'm gonna open Arcam to show you कि there is some FUD going around, और ये मैंने अपनी मास्टर क्लास में भी मेंशन किया था yesterday or today. Yeah, there is so much capitulation. People are in genuine fear. US government selling 6 billion of BTC FUD, jobs data FUD, recession FUD, and a lot of things. So people are just, मैंने कल अपने एनालिसिस में ये बताया था कि people they like to associate any kind of news with any market move. Okay, so market कोई भी move कर रही है तो people will go engagement farm करने के लिए, ये सब आपके Twitter, X पे and all of the YouTubers ये engagement farming करने के लिए ये basically they will say कि oh this is happening because of this is happening because of this, but it is not true. क्या पहली बार यूएस गवर्नमेंट सेल कर रही है? लास्ट टाइम जब यूएस गवर्नमेंट ने सेल किया था, उनको अप्रूवल जब मिली थी उससे 6 मंथ्स के बाद किया था, एंड moreover they haven't even sold, and this was nothing. ये 30th दिसंबर को there was 30th दिसंबर को कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर पास किया था कि यूएस गवर्नमेंट कैन सेल, एंड क्रिप्टो ट्विटर पे ये न्यूज 2 दिन पहले आती है, लाइक आफ्टर ऑल द, वही बात, इट इज राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू कि लोग सिर्फ और सिर्फ किसी भी मार्केट मूव के साथ कोई रीजन एसोसिएट करना चाहते हैं. सो दे आर स्टिल होल्डिंग their Bitcoin. As you can see, they have 198K of BTC, and I think they were approved to sell some 68,000 Bitcoin. So they haven't sold yet, and I don't think so they're gonna sell. It is just a FUD. Okay, it does not play any part. So please forget about it. Engagement farmers को ना देखा करो, ना सुना करो. They just trap you in a shit mindset. ऐसे नहीं होता. Look कि मैं किन चीजों को देख के क्या डिटेक्ट करता हूँ. वो यहाँ पे कह रही है कि गवर्नमेंट, the US government is gonna sell and this and that and we're gonna go down and blah blah blah. लेकिन मैं जो कुछ देखता हूँ वहां से मुझे ये पता था कि ओके, we're gonna go down from here and we are in the mean reversion market state and we are probably gonna go down from here and we are gonna go up from here. So there is a difference. Find the difference कि मुझे मूव होने से पहले पता चलता है कि ओके, दिस मूव इज मोस्ट प्रोबेबल टू हैपन बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इज दिस रीजन, और वो सब एक मूव होने के बाद आपको बताते हैं कि ओ दिस मूव हैज हैपेंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस बुलशिट, एब्सोल्यूट बुलशिट. आपको इतनी सिंपल सी बात अगर आइडेंटिफाई करके आप लोग समझ पाओ तो यू विल बिकम ए मच मच बेटर डिसीजन मेकर एंड अ ट्रेडर. एंड उसके बाद भी you need to join my masterclass. You need to join my masterclass so you can develop your own systems, और उन systems की basis पे आप लोग खुद के trading decisions ले सकते हो. मेरे analysis से you cannot make, मेरा analysis is about expectation forming and my decision making only depends on my systems. So जो भी मैं analysis करता हूँ, I do this for my students, I do this for myself with passion. लेकिन उसके अलावा जो भी मैं decisions लेता हूँ, it completely depends on my systems. Okay, so let's look at what is going on across the market. Now, today market is pumping and there are a lot of liquidations. There were a lot of liquidations building up the current price, and the 3 days पे हम अगर liquidation heat maps को देखें तो the cluster is going around 98-99K level. So we might very well go up, take them down, and then come back down if we are gonna come down. वो अभी तक हमें enough information नहीं to suggest if we are gonna continue to go up, but यहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हो here the cluster is going around above this area around 103-104K area, but I don't think so we're gonna reach there because okay, this is on 1 week. If we look at 3-day पे the cluster is going around 99. So yeah, most likely we are going to take these liquidations out before then gonna go down, or whatever happens. As you can see, as the price is rising, the liquidations are building up below the current price. I absolutely hate to see it, and moreover, I'm pretty surprised कि ये liquidations take out नहीं की गई. तो again, this is a short squeeze, and it will be interesting to see कि आज न्यूयॉर्क सेशन में क्या होगा, because today markets are open. Yesterday, as you can see, there were no inflows outflows because there was a public holiday kind of thing, because Jimmy Carter, the ex-president of the Wall Street, he died recently, so uski remembrance mein. But you can see these liquidations, I was expecting these liquidations to be taken out around 88K area, but price wahan tak nahi gayi and it started to move up. And maybe we're gonna take these liquidations out and then fuck people in both directions before moving back up. On the charts, it's gonna look something like, if we go up somewhere around here, or make a higher low. Here are the liquidations that are sitting. We can pretty much go there and then move down, and this will, you can see what is happening right now. So if we do something like this, people are gonna say, okay, oh, it is all over. They're gonna say, we are so back, it is all over, and then boom, we take them out, and then we move back up, maybe chop around a little more and move up. So probably this is going to happen. Now 20th पे we have Trump's inauguration. So उससे पहले the next 10 days are going to be the 10 days of madness, absolute madness. So who knows how fast are we gonna go up? Maybe a couple of days. I don't know. If again, it depends कि आज न्यूयॉर्क सेशन में क्या होता है. If there is no selling and if there is some buying, we can pretty much move up today like a lot, and uske baad we can take those liquidations out, and we can start to move maybe sideways or down, while altcoins might even perform, because if we look at BTC dominance, it is at a critical point. Here it is chopping around, trying to save its uptrend, and of course it is going to continue to save its uptrend, even though couple of days के लिए BTC dominance decline भी करे, altcoins will outperform, but then again it is gonna move up because BTC is the king, and it is going to happen. It is not the matter of if, it is the matter of when it is going to happen. People, they always call prematurely alt season every single fucking day. They every single fucking day, mera crypto tweeted, all those illiterate fucking retards, they call for alt season is here, alt season is here, and Bitcoin थोड़ा सा भी ऊपर जाता है, you are like alt coins buy कर लो and we are gonna be rich and this and that, and then 5% Bitcoin नीचे जाए, आपके alt coins they get wrecked 40%, 30%. एब्सोल्यूट बिजार बिहेवियर. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं ऑल्ट कॉइन्स ट्रेड नहीं करता, मैं मीम कॉइन्स ट्रेड नहीं करता. आई डू एवरीथिंग, आई डू एवरीथिंग. आई मेड मल्टीपल एक्सेस ऑन मीम कॉइन्स, आई मेड मल्टीपल hundreds and hundreds of percent of gains on altcoins. लेकिन there is a technique, there is a system, there is a method, there is a strategy to do everything right way. 99% of the people, they lose their money because they don't know what they're doing. So again, Ethereum is, let's look at ETH BTC ratio. Ethereum को वैसे देखने का क्या फायदा? Why would you? Oh, it is following that squiggle very nicely, by the way. I'm gonna remove it. Okay. Like why would I look at Ethereum price performance? Why would I want to look at Ethereum? My concern is कि Ethereum Bitcoin के against क्या perform कर रहा है? Like क्या मैं अपने बिटकॉइन को इथेरियम में स्वैप करना चाहूंगा when Ethereum is in the downtrend against Bitcoin for 2 years and it topped basically. मैं यहां पे इसकी टॉप कंसीडर करूंगा. मई 2021 के बाद से बिटकॉइन की परफॉर्मेंस अगेंस्ट इथेरियम की परफॉर्मेंस अगेंस्ट बिटकॉइन इज एब्सोल्यूट हॉर्स शिट. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि इथेरियम डॉलर टर्म्स में ऊपर नहीं जा सकता, लेकिन मैं अपने बिटकॉइन को इथेरियम में क्यों स्वैप करूं when my bitcoin is growing more and ethereum is not? So when that changes, if that changes, my systems, of course, they will tell me, because मेरे systems calibrated है इसके लिए. Again, for Solana, fuck Solana right now. I don't give a fuck about Solana. what I give a fuck about is Sol BTC ratio, which is performing exactly like ETH BTC ratio. So it's gonna be no surprise to me. It's gonna be no surprise. Okay, it follows something like this, that it is going to try to save the ratio, and then then it is going to fall, and then maybe it is going to move up, and this is going to be the final run of Solana, and this is where Solana goes to maybe 500, 1000, fucking wherever it wants to go. I don't care. Maybe that is going to be the final run, and uske baad Solana is going to into oblivion against Bitcoin. So as where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Sol BTC. Here we go. Okay. If again Sol BTC ratio moves up and goes into an uptrend, then मैं अपने Bitcoin को Solana में exchange करना consider करूँगा, swap करना consider करूँगा. If it is going down against Bitcoin, that means कि it is performing less than Bitcoin. डॉलर टर्म्स में वो ऊपर जा सकता है, लेकिन परसेंटेज टर्म्स में बिटकॉइन इज आउट परफॉर्मिंग. डॉलर टर्म्स में नंबर्स मैटर नहीं करते, परसेंटेज परफॉर्मेंस मैटर करती है क्रिप्टो में. दिस इज द बेसिक थिंग. So, okay. Now let's move straight into the data to see what do we have. Market volume is low. Funding is very neutral, not very high. Mid cap. It is getting a little frothy on some tokens, but nothing to be concerned about. Yeah, AI. This looks like a scam. Okay, this is a scam. Okay, Phantom. Do not touch it. Then the sector performance. Let's look. That would be interesting to see. Okay, कौन सा sector L1. Okay, L1s are performing. So yes, that is because of Sui. Sui King. Sui has been performing exponentially. आप देख सकते हो कि like the downside even it was limited, and Sui is performing absolutely fantastic. I don't even know like why. But again, it is funny कि मेरे systems ने मुझे कहा था कि like buy Sui, and I bought it. I don't know why it is behaving the way it is behaving, why the strength is so high. But yeah, who cares? Who cares? Systems over everything. Systems are absolutely monstrous. Glitch in the matrix dashboard. I don't want to go through it because कल मैंने बहुत से indicators को cover किया था. I'm gonna quickly wrap this up because there is not too much to look for today. Again, I'm only concerned कि आज का New York session कैसा जाएगा. उसके बाद there is going to be something we can see tomorrow what is going to happen for next couple of days. लेकिन overall expectation यही है कि we're gonna stay choppy in the absence of liquidity. As you can see, the Fed net liquidity is rising a little, and along with the TGA balance running down and RRP moving down as well, but not a lot of massive changes there. Then okay, anything in my dashboard. इस डैशबोर्ड का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. दिस इज माय डैशबोर्ड जहां पे मैंने इन सब इंडिकेटर्स को ऐड किया हुआ है जो मैं डेली बेसिस पे देखता हूँ. द न्यू मनी इज गोइंग डाउन अगेन, विच इज अ गुड साइन. गुड टू सी दैट. Anything else? I did not go through the dashboard today. Anything. Fuck. Crypto load up. For God's sake. Okay. ADX is moving sideways, indicating that we are mean reverting rather than trending in the shortest term. Let's see. It there was the trend exhaustion. Okay, then the downtrend, and here it has been going sideways. The moving average is also moving up, so it will be interesting to see. It is suggesting that we have bottomed out and we are ready for the uptrend move, but I'm not sure as it is moving sideways. Maybe it is going to take a little while. उसके अलावा Bitcoin Heater Capriol, Bitcoin Heater is also declining as the Bitcoin price is rising up, and as you can see, it is moving that mid range or lower range area जहाँ पे we have already seen the bottoms here, here, and what was this? Here, okay, this one, okay, then again here, and if we move into the past here, I mean this was the down bear market, so उसको हम classify नहीं करेंगे, but it is moving down. Maybe it is going to revert from here. It is in the range जहाँ से it is going to revert back up. But this is very good to see कि according to a lot of metrics they are showing that the bottom is in. लेकिन again मेरा bias ये है कि we are going to stay choppy. Quadrant model is also in the deleveraging sell-off, which is good to see. The app ranking is falling as people are getting bored and chopped up. Percent supply and profit also down at this area, which is good to see, suggesting that it might very well be ready to move up again. It is a very noisy and fast metric, and short-term holder SOPR is also resetting again, suggesting the prices are ready to move up. All the on-chain metrics are suggesting that we should move up. Other than also this is very low short-term holder MVRV. जैसे मैं इसको काफी दिन से cover कर रहा हूँ कि it has tendency to move back into its mean area to reset and suggest that we are ready to move up again. So any reset I would like to see any kind of reset. So short-term holder MVRV currently I think it is. The mean is sitting around this area, somewhere around 88, also aligning with the liquidations. Choppiness index again staying choppy, the 1 month moving sideways, which means it is staying choppy, and the 1 week also moving up, which is also suggesting that we are gonna stay choppy. We are in a mean reverting market state rather than a trending. Open interest is wiped out completely, bottoming, and then funding. Whoa, we're gonna move to negative funding today. We have, whoa, amazing. This is crazy. Yeah, this is not what you see every single day. Like we did it here, and then amazing. So we have a tweet from Thomas again talking about the DXY in the danger zone, and as you can see, we might very well see the dollar starting to decline and we reverse from here. But I did try to put some indicators. FSVZO, if I have it, yep. If I pull up FSVZO on this. Why do I not have? But oh, yeah. Never mind. Will it come here? Up, no. So FSVZO is still not showing any reversal signs. So let me pull up a moving average maybe over it. If you're not living under the rock, you can put indicators on the top of indicators. And let's see. This is what we can do. Now we do crazy things. We are best of the best, and that is for a reason. We are best of the best. Amazing. Amazing. Do I want to? Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Where किस टाइम होराइजन पे मुझे इसको देखना है? हम्म. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, I can extract this by this and not this. That is a false signal there, and a false signal there. I mean, that would be acceptable as a false signal. False positive there, there. Yep, and there. So I would like to see it on, let's go back to 1 week. Okay, false negative there, and you don't understand what I'm doing, right? Okay, that is a good one. Let's see it here. Okay, interesting. 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 1 week is a good time frame to look at this. Would classify this as it because this was a mean reverting state. So, okay, okay. And okay, the conclusion is that we are nowhere uh, towards the downtrend of the Dixie, a US dollar. So that is a schizo analysis, of course. Technical analysis like this does not applies to the something like the US dollar because it is moved by the fiscal policies. But again, this is a tool which helps us understand a lot of things. By the way, if you don't know, you don't know, again, because you are not in a masterclass and you don't know what I'm doing and why I'm doing this. So yeah, might very well go into the overbought area, and the dollar, even on the 1 day, it is not showing any reversal signs. So yeah, other than that, डॉलर का इन्वर्स कोरिलेशन अगेन वैसे भी बिटकॉइन के साथ इज नो लॉन्गर लाइक वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग और वैलिड. So don't care a lot about it. A short-term holder MBRV, I would like it to get reset. We have covered the liquidation heat maps. Then the funding is crazily low. Anything else I want to look at the dashboard? Nope, I don't think so. Okay, let's move at the alt market to see what is happening. Doge, well, it is going to chop around. I don't think so it is going to move up like this. Again, this is a Doge in a distribution, but if the market, like, if market goes into the next leg, which I don't think is ready to go, I'm not sure. Doge, I would like to see Doge against Bitcoin, by the way. Doge against Bitcoin looks pretty okay. Sorry, that was not the right one. Yep. BTC. Yeah, it looks pretty okay right now. Then Grass is the one that I'm interested in because of its strength. So it has also made the higher low here, and would be if next couple of days में मेरी expectation or speculation के मुताबिक, if we're gonna move up with alts into the weekend, so Grass is going to have some massive performance. Keep an eye out for that. उसके अलावा AKT, where is AKT? Would like to see its strength as well. So AKT is also looking decent. I mean, not yet. I haven't invested anything in AKT, although ये यहाँ पे मेरी one of the best trade थी of 2024. So now Virtuals is one which is showing hell lot of strength. And if I turn off the logarithmic chart, but not very much. I mean, it is probably gonna move up and then move down and go into the downtrend. So expect it to do something like this, because again, I'm expecting market to continue to chop around for by the end of this month or maybe next month, until we have some stimulus from Fed. And what about my memes? Apo is looking alright, decent, but would take a lot of time. Probably gonna stay choppy and build its way back up. Just हमने like something. Sorry, don't look at that squiggle. It is drawn badly, and my System is drugging me for a reason. Okay, might gonna stay. Fuck off. Okay, I'm gonna use this. Might gonna, we're gonna see something like has to build its base up and then move back up. So a lot of these things are going to take time. Opus is also the one जो मैंने mention किया था अपनी master class में, and it has doubled. मैंने यहाँ पे mention किया था somewhere around here. It has more than doubled, by the way, more than doubled. So amazing. Opus, keep an eye on out for that. Wolf again. If even if you buy these, you will lose your money because you don't know how to sell. Okay, Wolf, heavy selling on Wolf, heavy selling on Wolf, and now it is looking like it is gonna spend a little more time here and then build its base, or maybe it is going to move back up, sharp reaction, and it is going to build its base from there. Otherwise, it is gonna stay choppy. It is going to chop around and then move up, and then जब next leg up हम जाएंगे, then it is going to move up massively again. 70, yeah, I mentioned Wolf somewhere around here. All of my students, we if they held or not, I don't know, but I certainly did, और मैंने master class में call दी थी. Bought Wolf somewhere around here, took some profits here, added more back here, took profits here, and then added more back here. So overall, massive profits again. It does not matter if the coin is going down. We know how to play. We know how to make the profits. We know how to sell. We know how to, in what proportion to do everything. So this is why we win. Other than that, AI, the AI sector, the base AI sector, I think it is exhausted, and I don't think, yeah, you see chaos try to move up massively and getting a selling pressure from above. Maybe it is going to move up if the market is going to move up, but expect all of these to go down again. Don't okay, let's go to the conclusion. The thing is, if you see market moving up in the next couple of days, if you see market going for this liquidity here, or it is not there, by the way, it is around this area. So yeah, not very far away, not very far away. So इसका मतलब ये है कि do not expect any massive, oh fuck off, massive price behaviors. Do not expect, if market is gonna go here, the short squeeze is gonna go here to take out these liquidations. Uske baad it is probably going to move down and stay choppy unless we have any other information to suggest otherwise. This is most probable to happen, and this is going to, जितने भी pump आपको नजर आएंगे अपने alt coins पे, take the profits quickly, because do not expect that this is gonna go massively up. And moreover, I don't care even if I'm wrong. Okay, again, nothing here is a signal, लेकिन best expectation यही लगा सकते हैं. If it is going to move up, then it is going to probably move down, and unless we have any other information, or it might even like stay choppy. I'm not telling you what to buy, and if you should buy right now. I can't, because that would be so degenerate of me. So join the masterclass if you want the signals at the right time, because मेरा analysis गलत हो भी सकता है, although 90% of the time मेरा analysis ठीक होता है और सब कुछ उसके मुताबिक जाता है. लेकिन even if I'm wrong, I'm protected by my systems. Systems are one जो middle made trading decisions लेते हैं. They are mathematical driven strategies. Mathematical driven strategies जो कि actually में 1% or even like 0.5% of the people on the planet, the big hedge funds, the billionaires, the multimillionaires, they use them. 99% of the people, they lose their money in this market because they just try to guess. They try to listen to someone, and they would try to guess कि okay, maybe this is going to happen, और आप उसके मुताबिक position ले लो. But in the end, you will lose your money if you don't take it seriously, because we show up every single day, और casuals का काम नहीं है ये. Anyways, best of luck to you if you don't listen to me. That is gonna be it for today's analysis. See you guys tomorrow with another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis. Peace.